Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to disable Conversation View in the Gmail app. If you've ever opened your inbox and noticed all your messages grouped together in long threads, that's Conversation View at work. While it can be handy for keeping emails organized, many people prefer seeing each message separately. Let's go through the steps to turn it off quickly and easily. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once you're on your main inbox screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This will open a list of options and settings. Next, scroll down until you see settings and tap on it. If you use multiple email accounts in Gmail, you might see them all listed here. To apply this change across all accounts, choose General Settings near the top. Inside General Settings, look for the option called Conversation View. This setting is usually turned on by default. You'll notice a small checkbox next to it. Go ahead and uncheck that box to disable Conversation View. Once you do that, your Gmail app will show each email separately instead of grouping them into threads. That's it. You've successfully turned off Conversation View. From now on, every email will appear on its own, making it easier to browse through your messages individually. If you ever decide to switch back, simply follow these same steps and check the box again to turn Conversation View back on. It's that simple. Changing this setting can make your inbox feel cleaner and more organized, especially if you prefer a traditional email layout. Now you can scroll through your emails one by one without losing track of any important messages. Thanks for watching.